Hi, it's Tim Bowers with Hendrick Chevrolet here today to talk to you about our Trail Boss in the LT trim level with your 6.2 liter engine. Let's go take a look. Alright, so this is our LT Trail Boss with your Z71 and Dark Essentials package. As you can see, you got a blacked out bow tie on the front. You can see your Z71 badge there on the bottom right, or your bottom right of the grille. It does also have the 6.2 liter badging on the hood, but with the Dark Essentials package, we got to kind of get in close here for you to see it there. And then of course you've got your Z71 badging here on the outside. Dark wheels. It's got your factory lift kit, Trail Boss badging. If we take a look here on the inside, you've got a factory spray-in bed liner on this Trail Boss as well. Let's take a look here at the inside. You got your intelligent key function here. You can lock and unlock the door just by the press of that button, as long as you have your key fob within a reasonable distance of you, or of the door actually. You're gonna have power driver seats. Here's your 4 high, low, and 2 high, as well as auto. You can switch into tow mode. Auto headlights, as well as a cargo bed light. Let's get this Trail Boss started up. You see you got your nice leather bucket seats with center console. Huge amount of storage there. Couple of cup holders for your back seat passengers. Then you got more cup holders here in the front. Let's start this up. Got your steering wheel controls, heated steering wheel, cruise control functions. Here's for your Bluetooth and hands-free, as well as navigating through your menu items and customizing. Dual climate control, heated seats for both front passengers. And then you have your park assist button, trailer brake, hill brake assist, as well as your auto start on and off, and then this is to release your tailgate. Touchscreen backup camera here. So you see you have multiple views. You've got your view from the top down, so if you're trying to see and connect your hitch to something, you got your guidance line, then your backup camera. It's giving me that error message as we just released the tailgate down, so that's good to know that it is going to let you know if you've got that tailgate down by giving you a visual warning message there on your backup camera. If we hit OK and continue, you see you have your suite of options here, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay function, which allows you to use navigation from your phone right here on this backup camera. You can use a Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you also got your OnStar, Sirius, and your climate controls. You can control it here from the touchscreen, as well as using knobs and buttons, so that way you have both to use as your preference. Let's take a look at what our view is from the back seat of this Trail Boss. Now let's take a look so as you see, there's a lot of space for both passenger and driver in the front seats here. Just as much space in the back for your passengers. They've got 2 charge ports here, as well as rear vents. There is some storage, hidden storage here in the back seats for tablets, electronics. And then you can also take advantage of the underseat storage here in this Trail Boss. Being this Trail Boss has a 6.2 engine, it's going to be one of the more in-demand models you'll find out there. You don't have a lot of 6.2s going around, so if you're looking for a 6.2 Trail Boss and you haven't come across one yet, come check out this one at Hendrick Chevrolet in Merriam, Kansas. We're at 8300 Shawnee Mission Parkway. My name's Tim Bowers. We look forward to seeing you to drive one of these or any of the Silverados we have in stock at Kansas City's only Chevrolet Silverado Truck Center at Hendrick Chevrolet. Thank you.